Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the different ways you can log into the GoodX Web App. GoodX Web offers seamless access from a desktop, phone or tablet, ensuring flexibility for healthcare professionals. To guarantee the best performance and security, it requires a compatible browser such as Google Chrome or Safari. Advanced login options, including facial recognition, alongside a username and password, provide an extra layer of protection for sensitive data. If a user forgets their password, a designated information officer must submit a signed request on an official letterhead to the FCL team for a reset. This strict process helps prevent unauthorized access and maintains the confidentiality of practice information. By combining accessibility with robust security measures, GoodX Web ensures a safe and efficient experience for users. On your GoodX Web App login screen, enter your username and password, then click Login to proceed. If you mistakenly entered the incorrect credentials, a warning will appear to alert you of this. Re-enter your credentials using the correct username and password. Please remember that the credentials you enter are case and space sensitive. Common errors include incorrect upper or lower casing, and sometimes an extra space is inserted at the end or in between the credentials. With the correct login information entered, click on the login button to access your GoodX Web App. Additional login methods are available for quicker and easier access. For the facial recognition login method, click on the smiley face icon, grant permission for camera access, and select the appropriate camera for facial recognition. Once the camera has been selected, you can now capture your facial recognition image. Click Take Photo to capture the recognized image, then click Save. If the face is not recognized by the software, an attention pop-up will appear, notifying you that no match has been found. Click OK and try again. When the facial recognition software detects the correct match, the user will be granted access to the GoodX Web App. If you prefer to use a Keyfob, click the key icon and then insert the security key USB into your device. Then click Next. Once recognized, the app will grant you access. GoodX Web also allows for advanced login combinations, such as adding facial recognition after your username and password have been entered. Please refer to the user manual linked in the description for a more in-depth breakdown of login combinations. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, if a user forgets their password, one of the designated information officers must send a written request on a signed letterhead to the FCL team for the password to be reset. This is an example of what the letterhead should look like. This process ensures that the practice's information remains secure and confidential. Now that you know how to log in using different methods, you're ready to start using GoodX Web.